Solve problems. Prepare opening balance sheet and cash book after absorption and adjustments. Problem. Ologola balance sheet as at 31st December 2000. On the asset side, motor vehicle 2175, land and buildings 1500, debtors 1230, stock 1287, bank 958, total assets 7150, capital 6250, creditors 900, total liabilities 7150. Nestle Limited was formed on 31st to take over the business of Ologola. All the assets and liabilities were taken over at their book values except land and buildings to be valued at 1,325. The purchase price was 10,000. This was to be satisfied by the issue of Ologola at par 5,000 ordinary shares of 1 each, 3,750 preference shares of 1 each, and 1,250 in cash. A further 3,000 ordinary shares were issued to the public at 1 each for cash on 31st January 2001. Formation expenses of 400 were also paid on that date. You are required to show 1. The cash book of Nestle Limited, 2. Opening balance sheet of Nestle Limited after the transactions have been completed. Let us prepare opening balance sheet for Nestle Company. On the asset side, motor vehicles 2075, land and buildings at the agreed price 1325, debtors 1230, stock 1287, formation expenses capitalized 400, cash balance balancing amount 6233, and the liabilities ordinary shares issued to Ologola 5000, ordinary shares issued to public 3000, preference shares to Ologola 3750, creditors 900, total liabilities 12,650. Total assets including cash of the balancing amount 6,233 is 12,650. Cash book. On the debit side, balance brought down 958. On the debit side, ordinary shares issued to public 3000. On the credit side, cash paid to Ologola 1250. Cash paid for formation expenses 400. Closing balance as per balance sheet, opening balance sheet 6,233. Total payments 7,883. There is a deficit of 3,925. So this has to be brought by Nestle Company. Total receipts after bringing cash of 3,925 by Nestle Company is 7,883. Total payments 7,883. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.